Hey guys, so here is the update about the DYOR Airdrop claiming listing, and also this MultiverseHQ Airdrop. If you sign up on this airdrop, then you have just less than 48 hours to connect your EVM wallet to this platform. And also this MeshChain on Telegram, the MeshChain airdrop TGE is currently ongoing, and they have this new tax on their end button. This Trump tax is a way to do the tax and earn Trump token or Trump coin. So on the MeshChain is a Telegram mini app airdrop. You can check them out. They are listing in few days, I think in 3 days thereabouts. And if you have not been participating in the tax, then go to the end button to start participating so that you'll be eligible. Connect your wallet, download their app, download the connect the mini app with their own app. You connect your mini app accounts with their own app to start earning, and go to earn participate in the Trump coin giveaway something, and you can earn additional rewards on that MeshChain on Telegram. I will drop the link in the description box of this video. So for this what's it called, DYO, they made an announcement. They are listing on the 29th of this month, January 2025. They said in-app and waitlist reward have been concluded. Your today end points will convert to DYO tokens and get dropped into your current active wallet 1 month after TGE at 1:1. That's the clause. I don't have problem. Everything about this thing is making sense. Just that 1 month distribution, that's massive. So meaning that the points that you think you have is airdrop tokens. So it's no points. What you've just found on DYO airdrop is airdrop, not points. Is airdrop tokens, not points. As you can see, 1:1 TGE. But now they are listing on the 29th of January. So for you to get this airdrop, both for waitlisters and for those that participated in the tax, like you deposited to their wallet, you swap and you withdraw your money, all of that. So they've taken snapshots of all of those things. And after listing, which is on the 29th of January, then the 1 month starts counting from the day of listing. After 1 month, they will deposit it to your main balance on the app. They will deposit it to your main balance on the app, and that's when you'll be able to take your profits. So you will still have to wait 1 month. Again, this is an airdrop that has been since like 2 years already. I remember joining this wait list like 2 years ago. So having to wait another 1 month, you don't have a choice, guys. You just have to wait, so you'll be able to get their rewards. You wait 1 month to receive your airdrop. Then after this, that's all. They are distributing, no vesting, just that 1 month waiting. No vesting. They are not vesting it. It's just the 1 month waiting. So this is the current update about the DYO airdrop. In case you see listing on 29th and you were like, where's my airdrop? Where's my airdrop? This is what is happening. Wait until 1 month before you get your reward. This is it. 1 month after TG at 1:1. And that's all, periods. So back to this MultiverseHQ. Connect HQ wallet connection ending soon. So I'll drop the link to sign up on this. I've connected my wallet here. Let me just confirm. I'll drop the link to sign up on this HQ in the description box of this video. You are not doing any tax as well. You are saying HQ wallet collection, and you are saying I've just connected my EVM wallet, which is your MetaMask wallet. So let me come to airdrop page here and see what we have. So let's see. Okay, this is the airdrop page. Let me come to dashboard. So here you set username. Set username. Then what else? What other tasks are we doing here? Complete this onboarding to unlock. Engage with Multiverse. Engage to earn. Earn credit by engaging with Multiverse on X. Social tags. So if you sign up, if you sign up on this HQ, or you are just signing up, this is what you need to do. Engage on X. Featured mission. Earn credit by completing featured mission. Mission credit earned. Okay, I've earned this. That was how I got that 720 something. So I need to do this. This engage with MultiverseHQ to earn points. Then complete the onboarding to unlock. So I have to complete this to unlock for this one. To unlock this onboarding. So it's a very simple task. What you are currently doing here is just to engage on X and connect your wallet. Very simple. You're not doing much. Just a simple one and you are done. And also guys, the Get.io simple earn search 14x. Like if you don't understand what simple earn means, simple earn is a way to stake your tokens to earn, and you can withdraw instantly. Like there is no locking period. It's not like you lock for 5 days, 21 days, 30 days. No. On simple earn, you can lock today, in about 1 minute after locking, and unlock back. So that's what simple earn does. So you can participate in Get.io simple earn, Get earn, simple earn, GT staking, crypto loan. All of these are the compounded features of simple earn. GT staking is staking your GT to earn GT. Simple earn, you stake any coin at all and you get reward. You earn that coin itself. If you are staking GT, you earn GT. If you are staking USDT, you earn USDT. If you are staking SU, you earn SU. That is what simple earn does. You can stake in 1 minute now and withdraw in another minute. So it's a simple earn, just like the name implies. It has surged 14% since invention recently. So meaning that people are participating on simple earn. Everybody is multiplying their money. So put your assets to work by staking on Get.io simple earn. If you don't have an account, check the description box for details and the link to sign up on Get.io. Complete your KYC 1 and 2 to get started. And check the link to sign up on this MVHQ, this MultiverseHQ, and connect your wallet to start earning. So stay tuned for my subsequent updates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. You can as well join my Telegram community and you will not miss out of any of my updates at all. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Check all links in the description box of this video. Bye for now.